In this video, I'm going to show you the best drone for 2022. You'll be able to see the different drones and pick the one that is best for you. Drones can cost anywhere from $100 to $200. There are many different factors to consider when purchasing a drone, like its price, flying time, and what purpose it's intended for. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Below are the products mentioned in this video that is in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end, so you don't miss anything. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. DJI has unveiled a new version of its smallest and lightest camera drone, and, once again, we think this mid-range drone is the best choice for people who want a serious flyer. The Mini 2 weighs in at 249 grams, which is significant because it means that in the US, at least you don't need to register it with the FAA. Though it costs $50 more than the original Mavic Mini, it comes with a few key upgrades and many of the best features you'll find on the company's larger models. It folds up neatly for easy portability, includes the company's new compact controller, and can fly for up to 31 minutes on a charge. And the Mini 2 features support for DJI's OcuSync 2 wireless technology, which both enhances connection strength and extends its range to 6.2 miles. The Mini 2's updated 4K camera is dynamite. You can now shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and, as with the previous model, 12-megapixel photographs. The 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures you end up with smooth shots. One of the reasons that the foldable drone is so light is that it has no sensors for obstacle avoidance and recognition. That means there will be a learning curve and some crashing. The upside is that you will actually learn how to fly it. And once you get the hang of it, the Mini 2 is stable, nimble, safe to fly, and quieter than other DJI models. Spending an additional $150 on the Fly More combo gets you 3 batteries, a 2-way charging hub, a carrying case, 3 replacement propellers, and a handful of other spare parts. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. The Air 2S is physically identical to the Air 2, which was launched in 2020, but there are some key upgrades if you're looking for the best imagery from the sky. The camera sensor is physically larger. It's actually a 1-inch sensor, which allows it to capture more light and provide a better dynamic range, along with 5.4K video. Both still images and videos look superb, while long flight times, a wide variety of automated flying modes, and sensors on all sides make it easy to shoot cinematic footage. Number 3. DJI FPV. FPV drones allow you to fly using a headset that gives you a view directly from the drone's perspective. It can be an exhilarating way to fly, but it's typically only been available to enthusiasts prepared to build their own FPV system. DJI's FPV is the first ready-to-fly FPV drone available, offering that sweet first-person perspective, incredible 97 mph top speeds, and stabilized 4K video. Flying it takes a bit of getting used to, but if you've been wanting to get those dramatic FPV shots that have been dominating Instagram in recent months, it's the only drone on this list with the skills to get you there. Alright guys, that's all for now. Like I mentioned earlier, links to the best pricing on all items mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel, and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.